Fixing high RAM usage on Windows 11 is very simple. First and foremost, we have to go ahead and right click on the taskbar, click on Task Manager, and go ahead and select by memory right here. As you can see, this will show you all the apps that uses the memory the most at the top. So basically what you have to do is right click on the one that you don't want anymore to run and then click on End Task, and do this until of course you have more RAM available. This is the best way to do it, but if this doesn't work and you still need more RAM, you can go ahead, type in search, run, then click on it, and now you have to type in sysdm.cpl, click on OK, and now go to Advanced Settings and then go ahead and select Adjust for Best Performance and then click on OK. Next we have to go ahead and go to run again, but this time type in powercfg.cpl, then click on OK, and now make sure to put it to high performance right here. Happy fixing high RAM usage and have fun.